What's up guys, this is your boy SA Random here, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Skullcandy crushers. Now these are the wireless version, or the new wireless version of the predecessor of the old Skull crushers. So this improves on what was already good headphones in aspect of the bass wise and what this headphone truly about. So it is about the bass you can feel. Okay, so some information. It has got Bluetooth technology inside here. It's got 40-hour battery life, rapid charge in 10 minutes to get 3 hours battery life, adjustable sensory bass. On the back you got some more information. Nothing on the side, nothing on that side. So you just open it from the side. It is magnetic, so you just open it. There you got some information about the control, so it will tell you how to pair it up. You can see. Now you got the earphones here. Before I get to that, let's just open this now. This will be your accessories. So let me just put my tripod down. See. So this is your accessories. So let's open this. Inside here you do have your headphone jack, your micro USB charging cable, and just a little manual about the headphones with 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty. Inside this little pouch you do get like a quick start guide. Okay, so you get a quick start guide, charging cable, headphone jack, and a warranty card. Keep that safe. Inside here you got a layer pouch with the headphones. So you got a layer pouch there where you can put your charging cable and your micro USB, and here the headphones. So yeah, so in the next video, or the next part of this video, I will talk about the headphones. So the earphones feel really tight on my head, and literally I can't hear myself speak, and all the round sound is blocked. Literally they got like a tight clamp fit, so they have got noise cancellation, but they do have some isolation, especially when you're hearing music or music on. You will not hear nothing from the outside world at all. So with these earphones they got a really clean design. All you got the Skullcandy logo on. Apart from that, it's really sleek design, and I do love these kind of design, like sleek stealth look design. Now looking on the earphones, there's not much to it except for the slider, the charging port, the headphone jack, and that's it, and a microphone. On the other side you do have it. Okay, with focus, you do have it. Okay, you do have LED volume up, volume down, and the middle button. These also function as multiple buttons as well. So I believe if you do press this, it will skip a track. Double press this, it will go back a track. Press this once, the power button, it will pause and play music, also will answer and reject calls. So onto more about the design. How does it feel on the head? And in my last previous video I was outside and I could not hear like nothing whatsoever from the outside world. It really has got a tight clamp fit. Literally it's like it has its own noise cancellation built in. Or it hasn't, but that's what I feel like. So you can't hear none on the outside world, and they are comfortable. I've been watching like 30-minute episodes at night time. Like I've been watching about 4 or 5 videos, 30 minutes each, and I felt really comfortable. But after 2 hours or 2.5 hours or so, the ears did start to sweat a bit, but that's after 2 hours. So realistically, these are perfect earphones. Yes, I wish I could get better earpads, like a suede material, like a better breathable material, but for the price point you can't beat it. On top, the headphones do have some cushioning, which do help a lot. Like I have some cheap headphones that have no cushioning, and literally after 30 minutes my head started to hurt. So it's really good that they kept this style, like with the old crushers, like they have this style, and I really do love these. Talking about the band, it is like a plastic material and it's solid, it will not break. The actual band itself, okay, if I get open, okay, like so they are like a metal design. So they are built well for the price point. Are built well, and right now they're on offer. Literally, I think for 150, 130 pounds. I picked these up for 100 pounds from Argos. So they are on offer. So it looked even hard to like open by hand. Even I use the plastic one, open easily. Now you do have some wires coming out, which you do might be careful of, but I don't think they will break or anything anytime soon. Even that, even if it's fully extended, there's no tension really on it. Now, what the main selling point of these headphones is this slider here. This slider right here. Now you might be wondering, what's this slider for? Now, if you've never heard of these headphones, the Skullcandy crushers, where have you been all my life? Where have you been? Basically, what this does, it let you adjust the bass of the earphones. Now I'm wondering if you can hear this. I don't know if you can hear it, but inside there's like a bass enhancer. So when you wear this and tap it, you can hear it. So basically, what this does, it enhances the bass of the music you listen to. So that's a 0%, that's a 50, and that's all the 100% bass. Now, what I mean, it has bass. This has bass. Like, I can compare it to being at the cinemas. So say you're at the cinemas, sat right next to the speaker, that feeling you get from the speaker, that vibration you get, that's what these feel like. Now, if you like bass, like I do, these are perfect one for you. No other earphone can compare to this. I think I had JVC Extreme Bass. I know I had like Sony like Extreme Bass, but no one compared to this because you can adjust it to the one you want. Like I'll be watching movies, I keep probably 100% to give me that cinematic experience. But some music video, like if there's too much bass, just turn it down to about 40%, and it's perfect. Now I'll show you what I mean. Like, it's got bass in a moment. But I want to talk about the battery life. It claims, I think it said how somewhere around about 40 hours of battery life, and you could charge 15 minutes. If you charge it for 10 minutes, it will give you 10-hour battery life. I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, I will leave it in the description below. But yeah, that's really good. Like 40 hours, it will not run anytime soon. And when I got these out of the box, I turned them on, it had 80% battery life. And like I've been using it for a couple of days now, and it's only got 70% left of battery life. Literally, within 4 or 5 days, it already got down by 10%, which is really good by any standards. Okay, so I'll show you the little experiment that I talked about before. So I've got bass test music on, bass test, just to show you. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but it is moving. You can hear the vibrations that from the headphones. Okay, literally, like, that's how much bass they have. Like, you literally hear the vibrations. So yeah, so that's it for the video. That's it for like a mini review of these headphones. If you have enjoyed this video, please do leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how I did with this review. If you got any suggestions or how I can improve my video, leave it in the link below. And see you on my next video.